Today, we're going to try some laser engraving on ammo cans. We'll see how it goes. I'm just going to send it. Alright, wasn't a complete failure, but it started moving a little bit, so we're going to make something that's magnetic to hold it. That ought to do it. Alright, so the can that we were using is from Menards. So we scrapped that. We went to Harbor Freight and decided to try some of their ammo cans, and the results were much better. So I don't know if it's just better paint or worse paint. It does smell like it's going to kill you as it's engraving it with the laser, but much better results. That's all I know. So for the focus distance of the laser, I used a number 2 pencil on the flat, or a carpenter pencil seems to work pretty good too, and that gives it the right distance for the focus on it, for these particular cans anyways.